From Kandy, we are traveling to Nuwera Eliya. We are in the Paradenya rail station. We could find a ticket from third class. When we tried to book 3 weeks in advance, they didn't have second class, and we paid 1,200 rupees for 2 person. But now we learned they have the second class available, only 3 person, 3 cities available, and they didn't change our tickets, but they asked 2,100 rupees extra. We could pay, but the guy told us this train is not crowded, so you can sit, because our even third class seats are with seat number. That's why it's not a problem.
Yeah, I think it's because of it's express train.
Yes, this is express train. It's gonna take 3 hours through to Nuwera Eliya. But what was the station we will get out?
Oya?
No, Oya.
Oya.
Oya train station, and then we will take Nuwera Eliya tour, and then we will head to Ella from there.
Don't forget to bring some sweatshirts with you guys, because it's gonna be cold there.
Yes, we are in December, and the weather here in
good now.
Kandy, yeah, is good. It's around, I think, 20 degrees still with t-shirts.
23, 24 degrees now, but it will be 20 degrees when we reach to Nuwera Eliya.
We're changing the platform. Hope we can catch the train. We are on board now. We are traveling in third class, but we have reserved seats. So at the moment we look very comfortable. But I think I will let you know. But this is not a traditional Kandy Ella train. I think they booked us something different. I don't know, because we paid the price was not that cheap, and also it's not that packed. Maybe it's not the season, but we're in December. It should be the season. We'll see. We will share, and we have window here, and the window is open, as you're gonna see. So if you wanna take the picture photo, it's very easy to raise your hands outside. It looks amazing, really. It makes for this photos actually. Yeah, we will share all the details with you, how we can take video or photo from here. Is it possible or not, or is it more comfortable than the other train? We will share, and I will also want to share with you which the railways this is. Let me show you. I think this is Sri Lanka Railways, but this is the express one, express train. We've been traveling around 2 hours, and this train is really amazing. And this is Express, Sri Lanka Express. I think this is not the traditional Sri Lankan train, and that's why I will definitely recommend to take this one because it's a bit expensive than the other one. But this train is not crowded. You have enough time to take pictures, video, enjoy the view, scene, whatever you want. And it's a 3 hours trip. I will definitely recommend. I don't think more than 3 hours is good. But if you want to go directly to Ella, I think this train is going to Ella as well. So we will continue Ella by car after that. After 3 hours and 15 minutes trip, we arrived in Nuwera. It was an amazing trip and it wasn't crowded, so we really enjoyed it. It was very nice. Now we're going to find our driver. But my wife was going to fall down. We're trying to find the exit. Okay, we are in the Nuwera Eliya now. We don't have time, we will continue to Ella. That's why we decided to just pass through the city. So the first thing, we had a city tour by car. And now we are, yeah, it's very cold by the way. We were not expecting because Negombo was very nice and also Sigiriya weather was very nice. Here is very cold and we are in December, it should be warm. But be careful, just take something, I think it is maybe 15 degrees, maybe less, I don't know. This is the Gregory Lake. This is this city, actually not a big city. Mostly we can see British influence here. They also say here Little England. So everything looks like British, yes, even trees and everything. But it's a very nice small city. In the Gregory Lake you can take boat tours and let me show you the prices. There are different boat tours and also jet ski, speedboats, swan roads. Starting from 2,500 swan boat and speedboat is 6,000. Prices like this. It's yeah, worth to visit, I think. Gregory Lake is not free of charge. This is also Gregory Park, so you need to pay 200 rupees. It's not that much, but we will not spend too much time here. That's why we decided not to pay. If you continue straight away, there are free areas. You can also enjoy the lake without the park, as you're gonna see. So it's up to you. If you have more time, you can pay just 200 rupees and just enjoy the park, because the park is also amazing. Many things to do in the park.